Crown Vic, clicking on a brown Vic. Lit cigs dipped in shit I can't pronounce it. Now the sound system is tripping out some South shit. Step out cause I think I'm fucking drowning, B. Bill Clinton's tryna bull worth the bout of me and play sax while she sniff around and pace the balcony. Holy mountain hounds howling at the sound of me. Foreign gals whoring in a fourth galaxy, and I can change myself into gold, practice alchemy. Might as well sip the flask, tryna find hotel. Girl, I won't tell.
Are you gonna let me down?
Hit the gas and say hi to hell.
Depends on what you're looking for. Right now I'm gonna take you to a tuna.
Smiles from here and I'm dog tired.
Come on, climb in the back seat and go to sleep.
Why do I always get stuck? Crazy man.
That's the only kind that's left.
Sipping on some fumes, smoke detector in a room. So I'm young Malcolm out the window with the joint. Natural born killers, tooth chiseled to a point. We were raised by wolves, so our parents we could never disappoint. And now she's getting moist, speaking with a different voice. I'm cool, calm, chill, she's a dangerous one. Razor under the tongue, sitting nude on the bed, cold, aiming the gun.
Wake-up call. Doing?
Practice.
Must be planning on some point-blank shooting. Sawing off the barrels don't keep much time.
And we are both in the haze, the bed is soaked to the frame. I never pray, but as she is loading the gauge, I'm plotting what I'ma say if I have to meet her today.